Welcome to a world where art and water dance in perfect harmony. Discover our stunning geometric fountain collection's elegance and innovation. First, experience the mesmerizing charm of the Dancing Spheres fountain. This unique piece combines craggy spheres and copper accents, creating a dynamic flow of water that exudes modern art. Now meet the Artisan Smooth Four Sides Kit Fountain, a sleek, contemporary masterpiece. Its minimalist design and gentle water flow create a calming oasis, perfect for those who seek elegance and simplicity. Step into innovation with our rockstar, the Rain Curtain Custom Fountain. This eye-catching design produces a delicate sheet of water that mimics a gentle rain. Customizable to fit your vision, it's the perfect blend of modern aesthetics and nature's beauty. Finally, the Monolith fountain is a bold statement piece that adds sophistication and serenity to any landscape with its sleek, monolithic form and cascading water. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance or make a bold statement, our collection has something for everyone. Discover more at fountains.com.